In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a template in DocuSign. Whether you're updating fields, altering recipient details, or tweaking advanced settings, I'll guide you step by step through the entire process, ensuring you can tailor your templates effortlessly to meet your needs. Our journey begins with accessing the Templates page. Start by logging into your DocuSign account with your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Templates tab. This section is your gateway to managing all your templates. You'll want to locate the specific template you plan to customize. You might have many templates if you handle various documents, so take a moment to identify the one that needs updates. Now, on to editing the template. Click on the template name to open it up. Once it's open, look for and click the Edit button. This option is what enables you to start making changes and customizing the template to better fit your current requirements. As you delve into customizing document fields, remember that you're not limited to just one type of input. You can add or adjust various fields such as signature areas, dates, text boxes, and even checkboxes. It's crucial to ensure that each field is properly aligned with its purpose. For an added layer of precision, you also have the ability to assign these fields to specific recipients or roles. This means ensuring that the right people can access and interact with the document fields intended for them. Moving on, we'll talk about adjusting recipient roles and routing order. Each document in DocuSign has designated roles, like signer or approver, that dictate who can do what. Modify these roles as needed to reflect any changes in workflow or organizational structure. Equally important is setting the signing order. If your document requires multiple signatures, you can specify the sequence in which it's signed, helping streamline the process and avoid unnecessary delays. Now let's briefly address advanced settings. This step is optional, but it offers further customization options if you're interested. Here, you can restrict who can modify the template, providing an extra level of security. You also have the option to set expiration dates for documents, which can be handy if you're working with time-sensitive materials. Additionally, consider enabling or disabling reminders and notifications according to your preference. These features are there to ensure that all parties remain informed and that the process runs smoothly. Finally, with all your changes in place, it's time to save your customized template. Double-check everything you've altered to ensure accuracy, then click Save to update the template. Your customized template is now ready for use, perfectly tailored to suit your needs. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll master the art of customizing templates in DocuSign, making document management a seamless part of your workflow. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.